this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I did a quick haul today from the Dollar Tree, and I want to share with you guys what I found. So, the Dollar Tree had these things here, and like I've mentioned to you before, I don't like Halloween. I don't celebrate Halloween, but I love the frame of this. It's a picture frame, so I love the detail on it. So I decided to haul one of them. It has, on the back, it has the, what is this called? The hook that you can hook onto the wall. And I thought the detail is fabulous. So, of course, I hauled it for a DIY. Then they also had these pumpkins. I thought looked really nice to be at the Dollar Tree. And also, I think I'd like to turn that into a DIY. I've shared with you guys before these chain links that the Dollar Tree have, and they also have them with a hook on them. I couldn't come up with what I would do with the hook, so I decided to just go with the plain ones. Then I hauled these trays. I got 2 of them. I have a DIY in mind for them, so I hauled 2 of those. Now, I've mentioned this to you guys before, that the Dollar Tree have these little lights, and I want to say they're double A batteries for them. And believe it or not, they have Christmas already. Christmas is in the Dollar Tree. So I hauled 2 of those because I like to string them around the table during the holidays. They also had these little salt and pepper shakers. How adorable are these little things? So I got that. I'm sure it'll be fabulous for my tablescape for fall. And they also have these figurines, these little fall. How cute is that? The neck is made out of spring, so it just moves. Thought that was cute. Adorable. The Dollar Tree have a bunch of adorable little figurines going on there. And last, I hauled some bowls. And I have a project in mind with these bowls as well. So guys, that is all I have for you today. That's the haul I did. A short, quick, easy haul from the Dollar Tree. They do have lots of new fall items, but honestly, most of what they have, I had already purchased last year. So I didn't find a need to purchase any more of the same things. And right now, Joann had a 50% coupon going on, and I hadn't taken the chance or had the opportunity to go and check out Joann's, but that's my next spot. Once I see what they have, I will share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys tuning in today again. I hope if you didn't see this morning's video, I hope that Coffee and Tea with Faith, I hope that you'll go and check that out. I just thank you guys so much for all you've done, praying, and all the congratulations. I truly, truly appreciate it, and it means a lot. Alright, well, I will see you guys later on my next video. Hopefully a DIY. I'll try and do one for you guys tomorrow. Alright, thanks.